today's video we will fix the KitchenAid Dishwasher dispenser not working. Clean, adjust and replace setting. So firstly you can check if the rinse aid is empty. Open the dishwasher door, locate the rinse aid dispenser, usually next to the detergent department. Check the level window to see if it's empty. Fill it with rinse aid and close the cap tightly. Then run a wash cycle and see if it's work. The fix 2, you can reset the dishwasher. So turn off the dishwasher, unplug it or turn off the breaker for 5 minutes, restore the power, run a normal wash cycle and check if the dispenser works. In the fix 3, you can adjust the rinse aid setting. So open the dishwasher door, turn the rinse aid adjustment dial inside the dispenser, increase the setting number slider and then close the door and run a cycle to test. The fix 4, you can clean the dispenser cap. So open the rinse aid cap, remove the cap carefully, wash it with warm water to remove the soap build up, wipe the dispenser opening with a clean cloth, then put the cap back and close it properly. The fix 5, you can check for clogs. Open the dispenser cap, look inside for dried rinse aid or drips, clean it gently using a warm water and soft brush and wipe it dry and close the cap securely. Goodbye.